jumped in the rich car. Wow, a nice steamy fresh piping hot pizza, mashallah. This is the Deans Plaza, situated in Peshawar. You've got lots and lots of stuff here, and it's quite cheap, to be honest. It's not as expensive as malls in Islamabad. We'll have a little look around and show you. You got toy cars, kids can jump on them and play on them. You got these little horses, kids can jump on there while you shop, they can play. Lots of stuff. There's all kambali mambali, bulusun on that side, bridal wear up that side. There's a 1, 2, 3 floors, but I think the top floor is empty. And over there's I think over there's some fruit, juices, and maybe some food. We'll have a little peek over there in a second. Let's go down here. You got a large selection of handbags, all different types. You got all these handbags. You got Door, D&G. What else we got here? You got a Prada. Got quite a big selection here. You got YSL. Got unicorns if you like unicorns. A big selection here. Very nice. You got some juices here. A little tuck shop. And they've got they've got sweets and stuff, burgers, and all these cakes and samosas and stuff. Some fries. And over there you got pillows and emojis, and there you got ladies' wears and stuff, and that's about it. It's full of that kind of stuff. If you're into that, come down and have a look and buy something. And it's nice and big though, and it's nice and cold as well. So, and they also got parking, so your car's safe when you park up. Just pay a little fee and that's it. It's all done. Underground car parking, so it's not even on the road. Nice and good. It's on this side, over here. Look at the size of that cake there. It's massive. All different types of mithais, sweets. All fresh here. So there. And over there, that's where your pizzas are made. You can have a phone order or wait while they're getting made. Be phone for hours, so it should be ready in a couple of minutes, inshallah. And you just pay over there. Different charts, different cakes. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Pizzas, chicken, roast chicken, all these samosas and fried stuff. We've got dates on them as well, so that's good. Burgers, buns. It's very busy here. And over here you got all the biscuits, different types of biscuits. And over here you got the mithai. And over that section down there is where the pizzas are made. And all the cakes are stored up here, all them here. Bread, more cakes. And I haven't seen a big cake like that. It's an anti-drugs campaign cake. And that's the pizzas down there. There's cakes here, man. They're nice. Uncle, cake please? Want a cake? No. Why not? Cake there, man. Looks delicious. Wow. Nice steamy fresh piping hot pizza, mashallah. I'll try some tikkas over there. Very famous place. They're busy here, Peshawar. We'll try these. We got a chutney as well. Dip. Let's try these out. Nice busy spot. just off the main road. And that barbecue grill or whatever it's called is on all the time. Very tasty indeed. Cheap as chips. Can't go wrong. Look at the atmosphere. What a busy road, eh?